how to hide Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. Today, we're going to show you a cool trick on Instagram, that is, how to hide posts from someone without actually blocking them. Whether you just need some privacy or want to keep certain posts out of certain people's view. Let's do it. First things first, open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap on three horizontal lines. Scroll down until you find. First things first, you should know that there is no any feature that lets you hide your post from someone without blocking them. Now what you can do is restrict the post of the person or restrict the person who you don't want to interact with. They won't be able to tag or mention you, and they won't see when you're online and when you've read their messages as well. So you can simply restrict the person who you don't want. Want a little more privacy, what you can do is simply post your feed to close friends account. Choose a post you want, go to next, and while you're posting it, simply choose audience and simply choose close friends. In close friends, you can add as many people as you want who you want to show your post to. Simply don't choose the person who you want to hide Instagram post without blogging them, and choose your close friends and simply click on share. And that's how you hide Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.